Fuck you, Rain. You think you got me beat? Oh, we'll see. We'll see! This guy don't take shit from Rain. Fuck that. I'm gonna show you just how shortly you can do an oil change in, because I don't want to get soaked. Step 1 of this journey, get home. Great success, yes. Step 2, get out of the vehicle. This step may not apply to everybody. You gotta D-class if you're classed up like me for no reason. Much better. There we go. Step 4, say hello to the lizard. Lizard. My little girl. I'm covered. Where the fuck is this flash? I'm trying not to blind you. There she is. Little lizard. Yeah. The next step is get to your tools. Tools. Do it now. Oh, I guess I forgot to say I'm doing an oil change. Or, yeah, I said that. Tools! Here we are. Forget what step we're at, but if you've forgotten, you need to get that size. Which, I don't remember if they're all the same. I think they probably should be, which somebody's probably laughing at me about that. 15 mil for me. So, oils, filter, ratchet, 15 mil, rags, disgusting old bucket, grandma for supervision. Alright, following step, move this over here. The next step for me is fucking go in from a different angle, because this exhaust is gonna burn me. I know I'm gonna be stupid enough to torture. I'm an idiot, there's one on both sides, lol. Alright, well I ended that last video. I had to upgrade ratchets, because that son of a bitch was on there tight. Now at this point, get the fuck off there, please. I really don't want to do this with you still attached. Well, this certainly wasn't going to make life easy, so I've got to do it with the ratchet on there. Now I gotta put this down because this ain't gonna happen with the camera either. Ha. Nice little cheat, take the ratchet off. Now this oil's gonna be fucking hot because I was just running it, so don't fucking fuck up. Oh man, it always sprays out a little farther than I always expect. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Woo, fucking warm she is. Ah, there she goes. All that nice, beautiful shit. Delightful. Oh yeah. Yes, I did, supervisor. Alright, so does this one have it? A little. No metal shards, as far as I can see. Come on, video, just focus. I'm trying to cheat here. As far as I can tell, there's not really any shards in there. Don't want to get any closer, otherwise I'm going to be fucking touching the screen. Letting it do its thing. Alright, so the next step, after it finished pouring out, it's this son of a bitch right here. Ah, fuck it, who cares? Don't be dainty about this. Supervisor is left. I don't know if I can continue the job. Safely, anyhow. It's an oil change, it's pretty hard to fuck that up and make that unsafe. Now the rain. The rain hasn't beat me yet, but she's starting to sprinkle, so I had to upgrade to the yellow sweater of destiny. Now, as far as I can see, she's just about done. Oh yeah, he's dripping a bit, but that's it. We're good. I'm gonna go to the other side here. Alright, so, since that thing's all drained out and going into my bottle, so I can have a nice shot of oil later. Oh god. Whatever. You can see I've already have a mess from the last time I did it. I'll have to redo this driveway eventually. Maybe I'll make a video. But yeah. This motherfucking thing Oh, what the hell? I thought you already left.
Well, I thought they were coming for me, but I'm trying to get my ride.
Supervisor's still here. All right. Ooh, okay.
I had a misunderstanding.
Oh, okay. I don't... Jesus Christ, what a fucking stupid location. You can't get a grip on this motherfucker to give it a twist. I wasn't thinking it should be necessary. But it's proving me wrong. I've never had to really use one of these things before. Kind of pissed me off. This is a better oil wrench. If you can get an oil filter wrench, if you require one, this one will actually fucking pivot. Jesus Christ. Oh, what a stupid fucking design for that other one. Fuck. Fuck, put this on before me? You're a fucking asshole, man. Why in the fuck would you crank that so hard in such a shitty position? You fucking prick. Jesus, Murphy. I was having fun with this up until this fucking bullshit. At least we finally have some fucking progress. Holy fuck-a-doodle day, bud. You understand that you're just supposed to put it on hand tight? Motherfuck. Oil wrenches were useless. I had to fucking wrap that rubber glove around and fucking like strap her. Like shit, I should have recorded that, but magooey job. Now my hands are all magooey. Oh yeah, there she comes, oh the beautiful black liquid. More to come, more to come. Oh yeah. Oh God, I'm just happy to see it coming off. That was a lot more difficult than it should have been. Oh, good job. Oh yeah. Sorry video, my hands are covered in oil. I cannot hit the stop button. Ugh. We're off to a wonderful start. Oh, that's part of mechanic work though. Oh, you motherfucking bastard. Yeah. Getting your hands dirty, bud. So, advice from Brad, that's useless. That other fucking oil wrench that's in there is fucking useless. Fuck oil wrenches. Do it with your fucking hand. Or wrap a rubber glove around it and do whatever the fuck you gotta do. Most good ones come with that on it now, so if you have to use an oil wrench, at least it's got something to fucking grip. Beep, 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 beep. Frustrated me. So, it's recommended that you put a little bit of oil in here beforehand. Just a little bit. No, good job. Just a little bit. Failure. Rub it around the ring, although I don't think that's necessary considering how much I put in there. Good job. Now that everything's finally starting to come together, we'll put this motherfucker back on. She's all drained out. God damn. I'm just gonna leave that nut on there just cause why not? Will you fucking grab the thread already, you son of a bitch? Huzzah, hurrah. Oh shit, my yellow sweater ain't gonna be yellow long. For years, this yellow sweater has been with me, only to die at the hands of an oil change. Oh. Okay. Throw that bitch on there. Come on, grab the thread. Oh, I fucking hate these things. Oh, did it grab? Fuck yeah, it grabbed, finally. Now, obviously, because it's covered in oil, I can't fucking tighten this up to the best of my ability right now. I'll have to come with a fucking paper towel and get her done. Come on now. One more fucking crank would be nice. But another one. Another one. Oh, I'm gonna hate myself down the road. No, that is fine. That's perfectly fine. No, one more. That would make me feel a lot better about my fucking life. Well, the yellow sweater of destiny has become the work sweater of destiny. Alright. Everything's been hunkered down, locked tight, good to go. Pop the bitch. Oh yeah, sunglasses. My good friend. How are you? Forgot about you. Hoorah. Pop this little bitch right here. If your hands aren't too slick. Put that bitch in there if you don't trust your abilities. Judging earlier by in the video, nay say, I'm gonna use a funnel. Now clearly, you don't want to overfill some bitch, so pull that out. I just did, but I poured in about 4.3, so we need about 1 more liter, which means that there's about just a smidgen on that little dipstick. Almost. Now that I got it out there, I don't know if you can see, but it's about up to the 3rd dot there. You want her to the 5th. And so we've reached our desired state of fucking oil. If I could just hold it still for 2 seconds. Huzzah. Huzzah, hurrah. For God's sake, don't forget to put that sumbitch on. I made that mistake and that fucking sucked. My phone's like, why God? Why did you touch me with oil? I went, I don't fucking know, I wasn't thinking about it. But I'll tell you what, truck, you thirsty? A nice shot of Corona for you. So, moment of destiny. After all this fucking time, this 20-minute job turned into a fucking 35-minute job because of that fucking filter. But otherwise, let's have a gander. Does this son bitch work? Oh, that looks about right. Let's move on back a little bit. All right, so looks okay from there, but that's not what's important. What's important is under the son bitch. We are not leaking. Yes. Perfect. Here, you let me know how this sounds. Still no leaks? Success! There is one final last step to this plan that you should do. I recommend. For God's sakes, stay classy. Ron Burgundy said it best. That was the last step if you didn't get it, was get reclassed up, bitch!